the advantage of this. Instead of going, di ba, kanang we're waiting in the airport or we're waiting something or what ay gibuhat, instead of going to TikTok, try this. You will be amazed. I have an underpayment, or I have my payments have already been posted. I can file a loan with this. I can search my service record. How much is your premium? How much is your deduction or premium of that particular rate of services?
My appeal to everyone is napatay COVID. Even if it's alert level 1, COVID still around. So if even nila nag level 0, the COVID is already there. So if you have your GSIS patch, there's no need for you to go to a GSIS branch 24/7.